Ever wondered how a tiny sprig of parsley can elevate your dish from good to gourmet? Welcome to the enchanting world of herbs, those unsung heroes that bring vibrance to our meals and are found in every cuisine around the globe. Indeed, herbs are the unsung heroes of our culinary adventures. From the rich aroma of basil in your pasta to the tangy freshness of coriander in your salsa, herbs are culinary game changers. They have the power to transform a dish, infusing it with flavor and depth. Take a culinary tour around the world, and you'll find herbs at the heart of many cuisines. In Italy, basil breathes life into pasta sauces and pizzas. Journey to Mexico, and you'll find coriander adding a zesty kick to salsas and tacos. Venture further to the Middle East, and you'll discover the refreshing burst of mint in tabbouleh and other traditional salads. Herbs can be used fresh or dried, each form offering a unique flavor profile. And it's not just about sprinkling them into your dishes. The flavor of herbs can be enhanced when paired with the right ingredients. A squeeze of lemon on your parsley, a dash of olive oil on your rosemary. These are the pairings that make culinary magic. Remember, the secret to a great dish often lies in the right mix of herbs. But did you know that apart from tickling your taste buds, herbs also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits? Many common herbs have medicinal uses. Peppermint, for instance, can aid digestion, while rosemary is often used to enhance memory. Thyme, on the other hand, can support respiratory health. These are just a few examples of how people have been harnessing the power of herbs for centuries to improve their well-being. So the next time you reach for that sprig of parsley, remember, it's not just flavor but also health that you're adding to your dish. Herbs truly are magical, aren't they? Their culinary and medicinal uses are vast and varied, inviting you to experiment in your kitchen. And that's a wrap on our herb journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting culinary expeditions. Until next time, happy cooking and healthier living.